man.
Oh man, how's it going?
It's going good. How are you doing?
Not bad. Tired from driving.
Yes.
We left at 4 o'clock this morning. Got here at like 5:30.
4 o'clock from Connecticut.
Yeah, all day.
Who'd you get first round?
This blue Mustang here.
Blue Mustang.
Yeah, the quick one.
Are you ready?
I think so.
You ready? I'm glad to see the return. Look, between you and I, gambling, Vegas odds, my money's on you.
Cool.
That's
I hope
it.
you're right.
No, I think so. I think you got what it takes. I know you do. I've seen you win them.
Contact Brandy Cantor, 740-876-3185.
You know who I am. I have to look first.
It is the last Midnight Madness of the year, the small tire final. We got Chris Pilato and Noah Stein. Who do you think's taking it home, Derek?
I hate to call it, man. I hate to call it. I gotta go with the Falcon, though.
The Falcon.
I gotta go with my boy Chris.
I personally guessed Noah was gonna take it home tonight, but after seeing Chris, I'm second guessing myself.
It's gonna be a race, that's for sure.
It's gonna be a race, and
they both made it to the finals for a reason.
All right, boys and girls. Here's the deal. This is the one everybody.
Hey.
Look at that. So,
Again.
my prediction came true. If you recall, remember? Before we even started first round, I said you were gonna win. You won the last Midnight Madness of the season. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. I'm tired, but I feel great. It's awesome.
Feels great to take the money home and do it safely. People were getting pretty sketchy out there.
Yeah, for sure. I had to drive that thing like I was sawing the wheel, definitely.
Now, what do you think in 2020? You think you're gonna have to get faster, or you think you still got it?
I got some plans for the car, a couple changes, nothing huge, but like couple little things.
Little things, just a few little things.
It works pretty good the way it is, but you always got to make it faster.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations and good job on your small tire win tonight.
Thank you.